In front of me is HMD SKYLINE, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location. First of all, you can simply access tab menu and look for location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue, which means that location is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut. If you want to, you can also go into settings, scroll down and click on location section over here. Then use this switcher to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!